Tally's Folly coming to the Palace Theatre on Saturday, May 30th at 710 Dundas Street. Johnny Bobasich joining us from Tally's Folly, one of the actors, as well as Darius Corbeil, who is the scenic designer. Guys, thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having us.
Johnny, I'm embarrassed to say that upon reading about this show, Tally's Folly, it's a very well-known show. I don't know a whole lot about it, though.
Well, it used to be. It came out, I think, in 1980, 1979, and Judd Hirsch, the guy from Taxi, was in the original Broadway. And then it was a big hit, and everybody seemed to do it for the next 15 years, and then it kind of just disappeared. And then Don Flexer, our director, that always wanted to do it, and he finally got an opportunity to bring it out.
You kind of have that Judd Hirsch look now that you mention it.
Yeah, well, I have to play an older Jewish fella, so that's why I had to grow this in.
All right, so Darius, tell us about what fell upon your shoulders as the scenic designer. What was the feel you were going for?
We wanted to keep it very minimal and very intimate, so we decided to move everything in front of the proscenium. So like we don't even use the backstage at all. And the set actually comes out and overhangs into the audience quite a bit.
Wow.
It's, to be honest, I wanted it to be small and it just ends up being mammoth. It really is.
That's usually the way it goes.
It's like it's like half of the life size of a real barn.
Okay, tell us about the model that you brought in with you as well.
Well, the model here is literally a representation of what I was looking forward to putting on the stage. It gives me more of an idea of what I'm after, and it gives the designer something to work with in rehearsals, as well as the actors. Mm-hmm. So there are a few things here that didn't make it on the stage, like the second sunken boat, but pretty much everything else is on stage. Like we have two-dimensional drawings of some furniture that got moved over, and it's actually three-dimensional on stage, that type of stuff.
Well, because really this is a starting point for you, right?
This is my starting point is just playing with sticks and just kind of getting an idea, shape, and then this is where I get more into the detail of what I want.
So Johnny, how does the scene and how does the set play into how you act? How important is it?
Just in walking around, it has a lot to do with it because it's all on steps going into a river. It's an old boathouse in the 1940s that's pretty well falling apart and looks like it's falling into the audience. So just looking at that model at first, realizing that we have steps that we have to go up and down while we're crossing. Well, in rehearsal, we didn't have the steps, so you have to remember, okay, I'm going to be going down steps while I'm walking this easily across this way.
Yeah.
But then once you get onto the set, it is a lot of fun. You can, with different levels, and you can be looking down at her, or she can be looking down at you. And plus, we have a boat that's pretty well in the audience, so that's going down, cool. And it feels like you're actually on water. The way that they designed it, it's an illusion, but when you step in it, it's like you're stepping in.
It teeters. Yeah. That sounds precarious.
Yeah, and for the first little while, it was. It's like almost falling out of the boat, like you're actually stepping onto a boat.
When you say, you're on those steps looking up at her, or she's looking down at you, obviously this is a love story. Tell us about the story itself.
Well, it's two people that had met a year before, and now I can't stop thinking about her, and I haven't seen her, and I've realized this is the only girl for me, and I want to marry her, and she doesn't want really anything to do with me. But as the play goes on, you find out we really do like each other. We're just very different, and we don't think that this would work. So it's my job to try and woo her for the next 97 minutes to get her to fall in love with me. Beautiful.
And how much of the story can you tell through the scenery, Darius?
A lot of it. I think their relationship kind of represents, this old boathouse that's just sunken and falling apart, but you can still see that beauty there.
It's a very artistic thing that I think is kind of, because it is sort of the background, almost doesn't get the appreciation I think it deserves.
In most cases, yes, but I find a lot of people when they walk into the theater now, they're like, wow. This is beautiful.
Well, if based just on this, I think, wow, already. I can't wait to see it. Darius, Johnny, thank you so much for being here.
You're welcome.
Thanks a lot.
It is on now until May 30th. Tally's Folly at the Dundas Theatre at the Palace Theatre at 710 Dundas Street. PalaceTheatre.ca for all the accurate information. 519-432-1029 is the phone number.